my word. Yeah, they stuck in here. Oh my God. Have mercy, Jesus. Don't you do this. Yep, I got one dead. I got one. That one's dead. And I got one that went under. We got a bunch of them in there. Yep. What's that? I don't know. I just saw him go. I ain't seen him come back up. Yep. I got that on videotape too.
Did you?
Yep. Yep. I got that on videotape. Nah, that one's on video. There's one in the old squad, there's one in the middle, there's one on the other side. Yeah, they're white wings too. Unless one of them come back up, I didn't see him, because I ain't seen the bitch come back up. Out. Okay. I thought I saw one go under. I can't see. Where we going? I can't see. Alright, alright. White wings, man, that's pretty. That's a big bird, man. That's a drake. That's a, can't tell. Yep, yep. That's a goose. Yep. I know that might be a drake. Tell you one thing. There's a shark in the area. We're fucked. That's what I said. Look, a loon. I could not believe they came in. I went, this is gonna be epic. I know. I thought, are they all hens? That's what I said. Me too. That's a look at the little tail on that bitch. I didn't see any drakes in them. Because the drake's got that white stripe, but I never saw any of them. I'm trying to turn her around a little bit, get out of this wind. Well, I shot it. Alright, we can only have 4, 8, 12. 12 scoters. Huh? Yeah, everything. That's a scoter. What we got? 5. I know.